Hey guys, so today I'm going to be swatching and reviewing this Beetles chrome kit. So this is the one I have, but you can also get this one which just has the chrome powders and nothing else. And it's a bit cheaper if you don't want the other stuff. You might as well just get this one, and it's also at a discount right now. So for the stuff that comes with the kit I got, which is the $19.99 one, it comes with 8 chrome colors, which I will be swatching, and then it comes with a black polish, a white polish, a dust brush, which it actually isn't this one, it's just a plain black one, but I couldn't find it for some reason. I don't know where I put it. And then it also comes with these applicators, which you can also just use your finger, but I like to use these sometimes. Stuff you need that will not come with this kit is a top coat, a base coat, and a nail lamp. So to get started with my swatching, I'm going to add a base coat to each of my swatching sticks. Now I'm adding my first layer of black gel. I'm just going to be using black gel underneath the chrome powder for this video, but just keep in mind you can use any gel polish, and depending on what color you use will determine the shade of the chrome powder. So obviously if you use white gel polish, the chrome will turn out a little bit of a lighter shade than using black gel polish. I'm just adding the second coat of black gel polish and I cure between each layer. Now I'm going to go ahead and start swatching everything. I did not add a top coat over my swatches. Some people like to add top coats before adding the chrome, but I find that it works fine either way. And also I am doing the swatches in order of the number that's on the back of the container. I'm just dusting off the excess chrome powder and then applying the top coat and curing it. So here's the first one. This one turned out as kind of a darkish pink. I'm just repeating the same steps as the other one. And like I said, you can apply it with your finger. Sometimes it doesn't go on very well with the applicator and you have to just use your finger, and that was the case with this one for some reason. I'm not really sure why. I'm actually wearing the same exact chrome powder on my ring finger right now, so you can see it right there as well. One thing I have noticed that I don't like very much is each color will have a different amount of powder. Some will have more than others, and it's just kind of not really consistent, but that's really my only complaint, I would say. I really like the silver chrome. It just gives a nice mirror effect. You can almost see a reflection in it. This one is kind of a lighter pink compared to the first pink I swatched. I do wish they had a red instead of just another pink, but that's just me. I will say this is my absolute favorite. When you move it around, you see the rainbow. It's holographic and just so sparkly and pretty. So these last 3 are all white powders, but once you put them onto the polish, they reveal the color, which I think is super fun and cool. And also, I know that when you put these last 3 onto a white gel polish, they're not going to show up as a color really. They just kind of make the white turn into a pearl or just a super light pastel. If you do want it to be a color, then definitely use black or a dark polish. Another thing I do really like about this chrome is you don't really need very much product at all. This will last you a really long time. And finally, this is the last swatch. Ultimately, I do really like this kit. I think it's worth the money and I would recommend it to you. I actually have not tried any other chrome powder before, so I can't compare it to others, but I do know that this Beetles chrome kit is pretty good quality. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, please leave a comment down below with your favorite chrome color that was in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!